Locked out of control? Here's the ultimate door security hack you need. You've got a problem. Someone, be it an ex-tenant, an unauthorized worker, or a key-hoarding ex-roommate, still has access to your space. You changed the rules, but they still have a key. Replacing the entire lock? Expensive. Risking an unexpected visit? Not an option. So how do you take back control without the hassle? Enter the Primeline S4180 Doorknob lockout device, your instant, no-fuss security upgrade. It blocks the keyhole entirely, meaning even someone with a key won't be able to turn the knob. Sounds like magic? Nope, just smart, heavy-duty security made easy. Maybe you've tried cheap lock covers before, flimsy plastic pieces that crack under pressure. Or you thought a temporary fix, like tape or stuffing the keyhole, would work. Spoiler: they don't. People pry them off, break them, or simply find another way in. That's where this Diecast steel beast changes the game. Once it's locked on, it's staying on. No prying, no picking, no oops, I forced it open. It's a vault for your doorknob, designed to withstand frustration-fueled tampering. Landlords, property managers, and business owners, this is your new best friend. So, how does it work? Slip it over the doorknob, lock it down, and walk away. It's that easy. No complicated installs, no tools required. The weather-resistant die-cast metal construction ensures durability, and the universal key-to-like system means managing multiple locks is a breeze. It fits most standard round doorknobs, up to 2.44 inches, and is ideal for evictions, storage rooms, home rentals, or job sites. Got a nosy ex-employee or an old tenant dragging their feet? This stops them in their tracks, without the cost of a full lock replacement. Time is money, and so is security. Every time you change locks, you spend hundreds of dollars and hours coordinating locksmiths. With the Primeline Doorknob lockout device, you get a one-time, ultra-affordable fix that keeps your current lock intact. No stress, no hassle, just immediate security and control. Plus, it's built to last, meaning you won't be replacing it every few months like those weak plastic alternatives. This is a professional-grade solution that's tough enough for real-world use, because when security matters, you can't afford to go cheap. The power is now in your hands, literally. With this heavy-duty, foolproof lockout device, you decide who stays out, not just who gets in. No more sneaky access, no more unexpected visitors, no more worrying about duplicate keys floating around. Take control of your doors, your space, and your peace of mind. Whether you're a landlord, business owner, contractor, or just someone tired of unwanted guests, this is the smartest, most cost-effective security move you can make. Lock it down today, because access should be on your terms, not theirs.